A new example, which is a new concept, which is the proof by contrapositive. So the example or the question is, let x in z, which is the integers, prove by contrapositive that if x squared plus 2x plus 3 is odd, then x is even. Okay, so we start by saying that this statement is p and this statement is q. Okay, so the direct proof, which is the normal proof, we say p. If p is right, then q, or p implies q. Now, the contrapositive, we go from the other side. We started from q and then we reach p. But the difference is, we assume that q is not correct. We assume q bar. And then if we reach p bar, okay, so if q bar implies p bar, then p implies q. Okay, so we start by the negotiation of q, which is x is even. So we say that x is odd. Okay, so this is the negotiation of q. Then we try to reach p bar. We try to reach x squared plus 2x plus 3 is even. It is not odd. If we reach that conclusion, then our implication is right and p implies q is correct. Okay, so what is the definition of odd? We say that x equal to 2k plus 1. Okay, and k is in z. So if we take, for example, k equal to 1, then x equal to 3, which is odd. K equal to 2, x equal to 5, which is odd. K equal to 3, x equal to 7, which is odd. So this is the definition of odd. Then we use this definition, which is 2k plus 1. We replace every x, each x in p by 2k plus 1, and then we factorize, and then we minimize, and then we do all of the algebraic manipulation to reach that this expression, which is p, is even. Okay, so we say x squared plus 2k plus 3 equal to 2k plus 1 square plus 2 times 2k plus 1 plus 3. Okay, then we open the brackets, 4k squared plus 4k plus 1, which is completing the square, and you know the stuff, how to factorize and how to so the first square plus the second square plus 2 the first by the second. Okay, so this is 2 times 2k plus 1, which is 4k plus 2, and here plus 3. Then we take 2 common factor because we want p bar, which is even. Okay, so if we take 2 common factor, this will be 2k squared. 4k with 4k, we will reduce it to only one of the 4k's. And 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this is even. So p, we reached p bar, okay, which is even. So we started from q bar, we reached p bar, we say that q bar implies p bar, then p implies q. Okay, this is the definition of contrapositive, and this is one example, and thank you for listening.